everybody, Danny here. Well, by golly, you're ready for a new project. Let's head on over to Easel and see what I got in mind. And by golly, here we are. New day, new week, new series. Okay, putting some water down so that the sky can just do its thing. And as you can see, we've got a horizon established. There's the vertical. So our center of interest is going to be right about in here. Okay, we've got those essentials taken care of. And now it's just a matter of putting in some sky. And this is exactly what we're going to do. We're just going to reach up here with some cerulean blue. I kind of like that color. And by golly, we have the beginnings of our sky. Now this is just plain water. Okay. The reason I'm putting the plain water in like that is I'm just diffusing the edges of where the paint stopped. Okay. I don't want a bunch of hard edges in here for our sky. Okay. And we can actually, if we're careful, put a little bit of yellow around in here. Just a little, if we're careful. Like that. We just work that in and we'll call that good. Okay, now be with me tomorrow. And we'll start working on the mountain. Okay, so there we go. We got a sky in. We're ready to go on the mountain tomorrow. Okay, so be with me tomorrow. Be sure to like, subscribe, hit the link, comment, let us know how we're doing and what you would like. And by golly, we'll see you tomorrow. Remember now that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. We love you. And there we go. We are off to a flying start. We got a nice sky. Be with me tomorrow, okay? And remember in the meantime that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. We love you.